This shot in seconds, say what matters. Intelligence agencies have issued a major alert for Jammu and Kashmir, raising serious concerns about the security situation in the region. According to reliable intelligence inputs, terror groups operating from Pakistan are preparing to revive large-scale terrorist activities before the peak of winter sets in. In response, security forces have been placed on high alert and monitoring has been intensified in vulnerable areas where terror movement is suspected. Sources indicate that this time the terror outfits may attempt to target both civilians and security personnel using moving vehicle IEDs, explosives planted in moving vehicles, similar to the bomb blast method used in recent attacks in New Delhi. The use of such techniques suggests a strategy to strike crowded areas and cause maximum casualties, which makes early detection and prevention extremely challenging. Deep insight into terrorist modules, having worked in Jammu and Kashmir's high-intensity environment, she is adept at reading patterns and uncovering hidden networks. Specific regional linkages, intelligence reports also reveal that multiple terrorist groups across the border have been activated and may attempt to infiltrate through the line of control (LOC). In view of this, surveillance along the border has been significantly strengthened. Advanced monitoring systems, drone reconnaissance, ground patrols, and night vision deployments have been enhanced to ensure that no infiltration attempt goes unnoticed. At the local level, police and security forces have intensified search operations, checkpoint screenings, and urban area surveillance. Authorities have appealed to civilians to remain vigilant and report any suspicious movement, person, vehicle, or abandoned object without delay. Public cooperation is considered crucial in preventing such terror plots. Although security forces have achieved major success in disrupting terrorist modules in recent months, this alert clearly indicates that hostile elements continue to look for opportunities to destabilize peace and revive violence in the region. Despite the threat, the Indian Army, police, and central security agencies remain fully prepared and committed to neutralizing every terror attempt. The collective vigilance of security agencies and citizens is expected to play a decisive role in safeguarding Jammu and Kashmir from these looming threats. Source: Reuters. Think business, think BizShort. Tap to subscribe.